If you're experiencing billing issues with Yahoo Mail, follow these steps to resolve them effectively. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix common billing problems. Step 1. Check your payment method. Ensure that your payment method is valid and up to date. Log into your Yahoo account, navigate to the billing section, and verify that your credit card or payment information is correct. Step 2. Review billing history. Access your billing history to identify any discrepancies. Look for any charges that you do not recognize or that appear to be incorrect. This will help you understand the nature of the billing problem. Step 3. Contact Yahoo support. If you find any issues or if your payment method is correct but the problem persists, reach out to Yahoo support. Use the help section on the Yahoo website to find the appropriate contact options, such as live chat or email support. Step 4. Follow up on your inquiry. After contacting support, keep track of your inquiry. Note any reference numbers and follow up if you do not receive a response within the expected time frame. This will ensure your issue is being addressed. Step 5. Update your account settings. Once the issue is resolved, consider updating your account settings to prevent future billing problems. Set reminders for payment due dates and regularly check your billing information to ensure it remains accurate. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any billing issues with Yahoo Mail. If problems persist, consider seeking further assistance from customer support.